Good morning, guys. I woke up with a sore throat. I'm actually surprised I could even talk. I felt it yesterday, but damn, today was bad. All right, let's see if we get another two-legged pullback. I already took one for like 32 points here. Luckily, I got out of it. Didn't get greedy, so I'm gonna take one more. ORB was good. But yesterday was so bad. I posted a screenshot on the post on YouTube. That was literally the worst possible outcome. I went long after that on a couple other accounts and I made decent money. This was the end result yesterday. So but yeah, ORB keeps on giving, guys. ORB keeps on giving. I just keep messing up. Alright, so I'm not gonna talk a lot today. I was supposed to not even talk at all. So I'm gonna be mostly quiet. But we're gonna go do a giveaway around 10:30 for Apex eval. So I do have a tea time scheduled today too. I gotta decide if I want to go. I definitely want to go, but it's not exactly the best thing to do when you're not feeling well. I'm not feeling sick though. That's the crazy thing. At least not yet. I feel normal. All right, let's get ready for a two-legged pullback here. It's probably coming. Gotta take a look on daily. Yeah, daily. But it's crazy because yesterday we actually went green on the day for a little bit. Got my tea. I should really set up my trade day account because I should take the next two-legged pullback on trade day. I gotta do this course. Gonna reload just in case. Okay, we're above the moving average. So this is the first pullback because you didn't make the lows. So I'll go long up here. And stop is almost 50 points. So I'll be looking for at least 100 points on that. Okay, I am in. Going for 2-to-1 risk reward. Not looking good so far. See if it holds. We need to break. There we go. Let's see if we could do this. See if we have the patience to let it go for 100 points. With all this weakness. Not looking the best. As you know, the two-legged pullback likes to go right away. But I'll give it room. I'm trying to do this little test on trade day so I could activate an account, because I think if we do get a nice bounce, taking a long on the trade day account would be great. Can she go? It's not looking the best. Rejecting, yeah. It's gonna make a new low. Hopefully it doesn't just stop me out like it did yesterday. That would be quite annoying. Still a chance. I'm not looking at the chat. I'm doing this little quiz that you have to do for the trade day. Right here. So you have to fill this out. Uh-oh. All the above, yes. Oh no, we got stopped out. And it's the bottom tick again. Come on, go lower. Don't you dare to bounce. Are you kidding me? It's not gonna go any lower. I'm gonna just re-enter because someone said that yesterday. You always re-enter, right? So I'm gonna re-enter there. There's someone on my Twitter said you could always re-enter. I'm like, it's a good point. All right. Still might get stopped out. Ah, you bastards. Yeah, weekdays. I have to wait for some kind of base first before I go long. Almost done here. Almost done. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's not working out today. All right. Let's see. All right, I should have a trade day account now. Let's see. Yeah, boy. We have 2 of them. Second one should be soon. Officially funded with trade day. So daily payouts, but need a good trade on that. Would the tight stop loss make sense to enter? Yeah, that was pretty tight stop loss. Placing your stop right below the previous swing low is probably the worst thing to do, but sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do. It's end of day drawdown, I believe. End of day. They have options. You have static, end of day, and trailing, but I believe I have the end of day. Yeah, they have the option for end of day. Need some kind of support. Right now we got nothing. So I'm not gonna bother longing for a little bit. Well, there's a 10 o'clock news. Why can't I move my mouse? Oh. Okay. Videos need a buffer to request a full payout. I don't think so. I have a Phidias account at 2,700 and I haven't traded it. I keep forgetting. My throat is shot. What props besides Apex do you use? Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Phidias, TRADEIFY, and trade day. But I don't have any Lucid accounts right now. I don't have any TRADEIFY accounts. I only have trade day, take profit trader, and take profit trader I gotta activate though. I've passed it like 2 weeks ago and I still haven't activated. It's crazy. Maybe not 2 weeks ago, but then the rejections are hard. Shorts are having a field day today. I just need one good trade and I'll recover this loss. I'm not worried. It is so weak. Otherwise, I would take it long up here, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Yeah, entry would be like right now. Gonna mark it. Oh, I held the moving average here though. It's a good sign. See if it fails to go lower one more time. I'll take that, but I'm gonna have a very tight stop. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. If it doesn't break these lows here though, then I'll definitely look for a long. But if it breaks these lows, yeah, just longs are very tough. I gotta be more patient. Just have FOMO that I'm gonna miss the big move when it happens. If it does happen, it might not even happen today, right? But should have called it a day when I was green and I was sick. Do I know MMSM? No. If you're new to the stream, I don't short stuff. I don't take shorts. I'm a long bias only trader, so I don't feel sick. I just have a very sore throat. Like it's very swollen. I don't feel sick. I'm surprised I'm even able to talk because this morning I wasn't able to like speak. But it got better. Tempting me. It's really tempting me. But maybe we need to break this trend first. There'll be a lot of room. Yeah, it could be a cold. I was 1K away from passing my TPT evals. I just got accepted to Pro Plus account. Do you think it's a good idea to reset Pro account? I never think it's a good idea. It's so expensive. But do as you wish. If I thought it was a good idea, I would have them reset and trading with them. It's so expensive to reset, especially the bigger accounts. You could try one, but it's still gonna take a couple days to transfer it to Pro Plus. But congrats. Big congrats. Being Perma Pro Plus a member of Take Profit is a game changer. Should be a goal for everyone. Fuck, there it is. God damn it. Maybe. Come on, fail, don't. Of course, the time I play tight stop, it's when it's not a good idea. Oh man, that fucking sucks. That's 60 points in seconds. I'll see. We can still get like 100 points here. So basically this will be like my first pullback. That's the second one here. So I wanted to be in that first explosive move, but I guess it wasn't meant to be. That came out of nowhere, I guess. It really did come out of nowhere. Just not having good luck. Like if I took I took a two-legged pullback here. If I would have taken a two-legged pullback here, I would have never been stopped out, right? It would have been a pain in the ass for a while, but it would have ended up working out. So it's like it's my fault at the end of the day. Wow, Gleb, that's sick. Do I watch? Yes, no. I used to, but I took one of my monitors away. I still have the monitor behind this monitor, but I just don't use it. That's where my extra charts were. This is a 500 tick chart. Do I still have the TPT account? Yes. I just haven't activated. Let me log in so I can see. I have to email them and tell them, oh, hello, I have new Take Profit Trader accounts. I need to activate them. That's how it works on the Pro Plus side. Actually, let me see. Did I even activate it? Oh yeah, it's probably on TRADEIFY. Oh no, I didn't activate it. Get started. Pay with credits. All right, now it's active. But yeah, it's on TRADEIFY. Yeah, I would have had the 100 points right there. It's crazy. You could do it, NQ. Come on. Right to 750s, please. Nicely done, Pine Tree. Yeah, guys, I'm sick, so I'm not gonna talk a lot. My throat is very sore. Going lower. I was up 60 points, but with this volatility, looking for a bigger move. Enjoy your lunch. I'd love to add to this, but you know, if I add, it's gonna screw up my average and everything. So needed to go higher. 750s. I think it's got the potential. Big resistance up here at 690. Wasn't 690 the level yesterday that we had trouble with? No. That might have been 890 or something. People that talk about trailing drawdown, this is a perfect example of trailing drawdown. I don't have trailing drawdown on this account. In this position right now, I don't have trailing drawdown, so I don't have to worry about, you know, this trade being up 50 points and going to a loss. I'm losing the same amount of drawdown if I lose right from the entry, or if it goes in my favor first and I lose, because I'm already down on this account. If you're red on an account, until you get back to green on the account, you always have static drawdown. That is something a lot of people are confused about and they panic. But like, I was up on this trade $945. That is not going to count against me. Oh, my mom's calling me. All right. I didn't tell her I was sick because she would panic. But she knows someone at a bank that is gonna give me the loan for my dad's car at 3.5% instead of 7 something from the dealer. Oh man, this is tough. This reminds me of yesterday, where it's gonna have to flush down first, then it's gonna go. That's what it looks like. So maybe on trade day I'll take that. Scared to trade on trade day, but we're gonna try. Anything? But to be fair, this went up a lot already. I mean, that's why I like to be entering at the lows. That way, when it goes up this much, I'm already out of the trade, and I don't have to worry about whether or not it's going to continue lower or if it continues higher. Like, I get my move and I'm happy. Versus now, it's like I need a full reversal to make the trade profitable. Versus here, I just need a bounce, right? That's a big difference, and it's going to get stopped down right there. Fuck. The problem is if it stops me out right there, there's a trap. So gotta be careful with that. And this account's cooked. I like Tanya. I actually met Tanya in person in December. Damn it. Fortunate. At least I'm damaging one account today. That's good. But it's definitely not a good sign for the two-legged pullbacks on down trading days. That is insane how weak the market is. Yeah, I got so many pine trees. It's nuts. Sucks. Everything I made yesterday on this account is gone. Yeah, I made $2,200 yesterday on this account. It's gone. Damn it. I'm gonna order myself a bagel. I need some food. teasing me again to. The setup's just not working today. I keep trying, but the deeper the hole I put myself into, the harder it's gonna get to get out, because I'm gonna try to get out in one trade instead of just taking 50 points like I should. Come on, retest the lows. If you could retest the lows and not break the lows, that would be a good thing. Yeah, guys, we need likes for a giveaway. Not sure what I'm gonna do here. This was the trade. This was the trade, guys. This was the fucking trade. Unfortunately, this is the one I decided to use a tight stop on instead of using the low of the day. There was 2-to-1 risk reward right there. Come on, let's retest the lows. Big head and shoulders here. But here we had head and shoulders inverse, so doesn't mean much. Still trying to spot it long, yeah. Yeah. This was a good, like, if I get a trade like this, perfect. If we fail to go lower here, that's a good sign. The only thing is we might chop around instead of go in one direction. Oh. Yeah, tick chart is just however many ticks. It's almost like a volume. It's almost like a range chart in a sense. Range is when your candles form once the range is reached. This is how many ticks. Here's the counter of the ticks. I've not looked at a range chart in forever. Let's see. Range bars. What does 10 mean? 10 ticks. Okay. Let's do 4 points. See what that looks like. Uh-oh. That was pretty good right there. Fuck, why did I switch? I have the worst luck. I create my own luck though. That was a good entry right there. Why was I not in it? Did this form when I was looking at the other chart? Hopefully that stays red. All right. Big rejection again though. Is there an advantage over a time-based chart? For faster time frames, I think so. Because faster time frame, like a 30-second chart is gonna have a 30-second candle every 30 seconds. Versus here, if the volume is low, the candles are gonna take longer than 30 seconds to form. But you see more detail. So it depends. I used to trade the two-legged pullbacks a 1-minute chart and I would miss so many of them. I'm kind of confused as to what to look for anymore. Like I need to walk away, reset, as if I never traded today and see what I could find. Because now I'm chasing this loss and that's just gonna be difficult. I think retest of the lows would be ideal. Get the shorts excited. I mean, today might be just sell-off day non-stop. I'm not saying it won't be, but be one of those days. No, I don't look at ES. I don't really need to. If I don't trade it, it doesn't matter. I used to have ES, gold, oil on one screen, but I took off the screen. So now I don't have really, like, I have to manually look at it. I don't have the space on my screen to have ES charts open. If I don't trade it, I'm not gonna look at it. All right, getting close to the lows. Nah, sometimes it could just confuse me. But yeah, some people like to use the divergence or confluence of both, but for me, it would just be an additional thing to consider for trades, and then I would miss the good trades and get into the bad trades. That's kind of how it works for me. The more stuff I add to my strategy. The only thing is, right now, what I need to do is be very aggressive on the green days. Don't wait for deep sell-offs. Wait for shallow sell-offs and then enter the trades, because I could make a lot of money on the green days. But I refuse to chase the price higher. It's almost like shorts, right? If you're a short, like, you're not gonna avoid shorting right now. I mean, this has so much more room to go to the downside. So for me, when I'm a long and the market just keeps going higher and higher and then has shallow pullbacks, I refuse to get in. I don't know why. And I miss out on a lot of profit. But I guess because I assume there's going to be more range days or reversal days than actual trending days. All right, so we got new lows. Let's see if we fail to stay below. Looking for a two-legged pullback now. Because now this is support. If it goes lower, then it goes lower. Not my day today. I had a really good open, and the trade after the open was really good. But since then, I make most of my money at 9:30 a.m. It's crazy. Kind of waste my time after that, really. But trying to find something. Trying to find something, and we're going to continue. But what I need to do is I need to have 20 Apex accounts, 10 dedicated to the ORB. Because I lost in the ORB yesterday, and I blew the accounts trading this. Like, I need to leave those accounts alone. Yeah, this market is, I wouldn't say crazy. This is what we wanted, guys. This is what we wanted. All these days since the holidays, we've been complaining about the market being slow, being choppy, being very slow range, low volatility. This is what we want. This is a beautiful market. I don't think today is a difficult market to trade, in the sense of, I mean, it's, if you're a short bias, you're making a lot of money. Even if you're long bias, you could still make good money. The problem for me is I'm chasing a loss. So for me, my mental thing is I want a big winner. I want a full-on reversal versus just a bounce. Because if you watch my streams from the previous days, my target on the two-legged pullback is usually 50 points. Didn't have it here, took a loss. Here could have had easily 50 points. Here I had 50 points. Didn't take it. So my God. One more phone call, guys. Yeah, I was gonna refinance my van, but then I realized that my van isn't my business. Do people do that all the time to you as well? They hang up and they call you right back 3 times. She called me by mistake. Oh man. All right, we're getting a sell-off. My bagel should be here soon. Gonna just be patient. Maybe we'll get it like a 200-point reversal. Maybe. But if not today, tomorrow should be a good day. The sell-off is wild. I'm going golfing again today, guys. I had so much fun yesterday. I couldn't believe it. Playing real golf is so much more fun than sim. Wow, what a sell-off. Congrats to all the shorts today. I mean, we already have sold off 400 points since last night. Oh, man. How can I do this on the short side? A 2-legged pullback? I don't know. I don't know how I could do it on the short side. I'll have to think about it. You called out the new lows. Congrats. I mean, am I supposed to like listen to you and take everything you say? I don't understand what the point of the comment is. I just said congrats to the shorts. So I said congrats to you basically. Yeah, we got the first pullback here. Let's see. Be right back. I'm gonna go get my bagel. Can you get your accounts taken? No, I don't think so. While we wait, let's do a giveaway. All right, we're gonna do a giveaway for Apex Eval. Dustin, how are you having a rough day on a crazy short day? Let's see if I get filled in here. Send it.
Pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump
Go up. When you bend in rows. Well, this sucks. I get stopped out on the second contract. Just can't get anything going today. What a nightmare day. It's all good. It's gonna get all better on the golf course. Holy shit. How many trades did I lose already today? Oh, what a nightmare. Just in case it's a trap here. This account's toasted. If this trade doesn't work, this account's gone. But I want to make sure it makes new lows before that happens. Hope you guys are having a better day than I am. This is absolutely brutal. Really got to take advantage of the green days. Luckily today's only one account. Luckily I was able to be smart and knowing that it's a very bearish day, just trade one account. Sesame bagel with cream cheese. Tomorrow should be a good day, I think. Today is not, but tomorrow, if this keeps selling off, tomorrow should be a decent day for a bounce. We'll do the giveaway as soon as this trade is done. So, could be in 1 minute, could be in 10 minutes. Oh. Don't make me go back to scalping, please, market. Don't make me go back to scalping. Man, what a sell-off. It's just very hard to balance this. So this is what goes through my head. Like, why am I trading so much today when it's not working? Because other days, if I don't take a trade like this, it will work. And it will piss me off that I didn't take it. Like, let's say I have like a 2 stop out rule. 2 stops on this strategy and I'm done for the day. If I do that, the third time it's gonna work. Most of the times, it's just the big trending days is the days that it does not work. Nothing works on big trending days when you try to go counter trend. When your strategy is counter trend and you have a trend day, it's not gonna work. But most days are not trending days, so it's fine. It's just, how do I manage it so I don't blow my account if I copy trade? Maybe I need to size down. You have to identify when it's trending. Yeah, that's the hard part, because a lot of times it looks like it's trending and it reverses, kind of like it did yesterday. Yesterday was a trend day until it wasn't. Right? Yesterday looked like a trend day. And then even here it looked like it was going to go lower. And then boom. This is the move I want. I cut some of it in this account. See how quickly things work when they work. Here I'm fighting this trend. Now it gives me 20 points, then it reverses. Just stop for today? Yeah, I'm done for today. After this trade, this account's gonna be done, so I'm gonna be done for the day as well. I'm not gonna touch anything else. I do appreciate that you could do this live. Well, to me, I would be trading worse if I wasn't live, because to me, this is just $85. I would treat it more differently if I wasn't streaming. Tyler, I'm actually sick a little bit, but getting through it, feeling a little bit better. This morning was bad. I thought I wasn't gonna even stream, and I got better. The good thing is I skipped PPI. I didn't feel like getting out of bed. PPI was a mess. Or was there no PPI today? Is it tomorrow? I don't even see it. Yeah, that's what I heard as a flu going around, but I don't know where I would have caught it. All right, let's see. Can we squeeze now? Eric says I need cucumber soup. Is it cucumber? Or pickle soup? I think pickle soup. I had that 2 days ago. Literally 2 days ago. Damn. Silver is no joke. I had Zupa Ogurkova 2 days ago. But unfortunately, I got stopped out of my ad. So I need to find a way to add one more contract. So annoying. These stops are so annoying. There is some momentum to it now. Hopefully, shit keeps going. I said that about something a very long time ago, and I lied. Cocaine? Is that what you are referring to, Miss K? Cocaine? I'm just kidding. If I had to guess, your mind's in the gutter. So, can we get to 620? Giveaway is as soon as I'm done with this trade. I don't know when that's gonna be, but whenever I'm done with this trade, that's when the giveaway will happen. Need a higher low here. Come on, market. Higher low, another leg up. Maybe retest these highs here. Up 50 points right now. Wish I had the 2 contracts, man. Damn. If I had 2 contracts, we would be golden right now. Got stopped out of 1 contract because I want to keep a tight stop on it. Damn it. I need to worry about the 2 contracts, but that's the difference between making money and not making money. So that's why I'm worried about it. Like I am green on the account right now versus being down $1,700 on the account right now. That's the difference between having 1 or 2 contracts. And I got stopped out barely, you know. If I had a proper stop on these, then yeah, I would be okay. But I didn't have a proper stop. I just did it based on minimizing the risk, which ended up actually hurting me more. But it's all right. If this hits the target, I'm gonna salvage this account. Be down like $1,000 on it. It'll be fine. Yeah, I'm still trying to find that process. Process is to make sure the stop is at the low of the day. So that's like ideal stop. It's just sometimes it's too wide. So I don't get caught up in the chop. Low of day or low of range, depending obviously. like here, I'm not gonna put a stop at low of day, right? It's just the low of the range, below this low. So that was a decent stop here, but I don't know. We need this to go. That's the number one. If this goes, then we'll worry about the rest. This is still not a winning trade. This is still not a winning trade. I'm thinking about adding, but I want this to just reverse. Because I gotta go soon too. My tea time's at 1:20. Sean, getting a little bit of a gain here does not make any sense. But I want to give this room, because if this is a reversal, this is gonna breathe. It needs to breathe, and then it's gonna go. Markets don't typically move straight up or straight down, right? But I'm not worried about this account. This account is toast. So this account, if it wins, it wins. If it doesn't win, I'm already accepting that. Tea time, yes, but not tea as in drinking tea. Tea time as in golf tea time in the 45-degree weather. Played yesterday, had a great time, and I can't wait to do it again today, because today will be the last day that I could do it for a while, because the weather is dropping like crazy. Yep. The weather's dropping to sub 20 degrees. See if it holds at all. What the fuck's going on with this market today? All right. It's going to be a giveaway time. You got probably 5 seconds before this gets stopped out. And we're picking one person. No golfy today because my voice is no good. Gonna pick one person. If you can't use Apex, I'm sorry, but you can't participate. Okay, this is an Apex giveaway. We did Take Profit Trader yesterday. Not yesterday, Monday. Oh, what a frustrating day. I don't know what's more frustrating, today or yesterday. Because today I was up a lot. I was up 50 points so many times. I didn't take the profit. If I was green on the day, I would have taken the profit. So that is the problem I have at the moment. $86 points right there. Fuck. Oh man, crazy. Let's just add and let this account do its thing. And we could do this giveaway. Don't even want to look. All right, closing the entries at 11:39. Picking one person, and you must be present to win. All the entries right here. Members get 4 times the chance of winning. Who is going to take the victory today? All right, closing it. Good luck. Let's see. The Apex evaluation goes to Camila Mirage. Are you present in the chat? Awesome. Crazy. I'm going to lose. I was up on the trade 82 points and it's still not going to work. Bastards. They don't want to bounce today. They just don't want to bounce. Downtrend, clear as day. But to be fair, my target was not for a reversal. Like, I wasn't trying to get past this high. Still would have been red on the day. Agreed. Yeah, maybe. But if I'm risking 50, 60, 70 points, then how is 80 points agreed, you know? Yeah, I know. Yeah, definitely. But this is what I wanted, okay? This is what I wanted. You see this yesterday? See what happened yesterday? This is what I wanted. Didn't happen today. All good. One account. One account. The other accounts are doing well. ORB for the win. And the first two-legged pullback of the day one as well. But I took, I think, 40 points on that, on the first trade. Here I had 80 points and I didn't take it. So it's like I'm winning on the trades. It's just there's not enough continuation. So I end up losing on the trades because I'm down on the day. So that's something I either gotta make it a bracket where the target is always going to be the same and I might miss out on the big 150 point moves. I don't know. That is something I got to decide what I want to do. Do I want to be more mechanical with the take profit, or tomorrow's going to be a good day. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. I'm manifesting a great bounce back day tomorrow. Oh, that's Mary James? No way. See, I didn't know that was you. See, I hate that YouTube changed its stupid names. I didn't know that was you. That's awesome. Yeah, I mean evals I don't care about at all, but take profit trader evals feel like I feel like a take profit trader eval when you're close to passing feels worse to blow than the funded account with any other firm that is 1D to pass, especially Apex or Bullnox. Here's what I think I need to do. Instead of going for a bigger target, size up. I think that's 50 points, but 3 contracts instead of going for 100 points. I think that's a better option. All right. That's it. We'll go and warm up for 45 minutes in my garage, and then I got a tea time at 1:20, and we'll see if I get through the whole course. Yesterday we got through the whole course, except one hole that we skipped because there's some slow ass people in front of us. 15 payout in Bullnox. How the hell are you doing that? How are you not live? That's crazy. Congrats. That's crazy. until they put you live pretty soon nowadays. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. I don't know why it's not selling me out. There you go. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Tomorrow should be a better day, I hope. And how am I still golfing outside? It's 45 degrees, so one course is open. I'm gonna take advantage. After today, there will be no golfing for another month, probably. A horrible day for me, but whatever. I'm happy with my early day. I almost called it a day after that, and I should have, but whatever. Fuck it. I am at managing my costs at this point, not making money, not focused on making money, just managing my risk. I could just blow one account. That's great. Yesterday I blew 5. That's not good. Today 1. Trying to learn something, trying to figure something out. ORB is the king. ORB will be the king of my payouts, but hopefully something else will stick. And I'm gonna continue fighting. The two-legged pullback tomorrow is gonna be the day. Gotta be very aggressive tomorrow. If there's a sign of a bounce tomorrow, I am taking every single two-legged pullback that shows up, that breaks a structure and fails to continue lower. I am gonna take it. Doesn't matter if it's at the damn highs. I don't care. I'm taking it. And we're gonna have a good day. Days like this, I gotta figure out how to avoid because I had some good trades today. It's not like I didn't. I mean, I was just up 80 points. Merit, hold on, let me send you. I might have sent that already. Maybe I didn't delete it. Sometimes I forget to delete the code I sent. Well, they might have expired. Sometimes that's an issue. New lows on the day. Here we go. Joaquin, thank you for joining the club again. See you guys tomorrow. Another giveaway tomorrow for sure. I'm excited for golf.